What are we going to go do?
Huh?
What are we going to go do?
Wait.
Since we can't go to the pool,
Okay.
we could play in the rain. I don't think I'm going to get Mother of the Year for this one, Mary Ryan. What do you think? What do you say? Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Do the rain dance. Say rain, rain, go away. Yeah, that's your pool. Oh, you don't like the rain? I thought you wanted to go out in the rain. Yeah? Yeah. Whoa. Oh, yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, okay. Oh, baby, it's okay. Yeah. It's cold. We just came in from outside. But we don't want to get fried by the lightning. The lightning will eat us. Okay. Say bye-bye.